Diego, tummy time. It's your tummy time, baby. Huh? It's your tummy time. Baby. Baby. Tummy time. Tummy time ni baby. Sleep na ikaw. Diego, look at me. Diego. Uy, wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hmm? Sige, crawl. Crawl. Sige. Crawl. Sige, crawl, crawl. Kaya. You can do it.
And whether he prescribed meds for Jackson using aliases.
Possible clues as to what the final autopsy may reveal. Investigative journalist Ian Halpern has a glimpse into Michael's last days.
Very good. Ang tummy time. Very good.